In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the LED light transformer for the following model. Make sure to unplug the power cord and to close the gas. Remove the back panel. Remove the screws holding the plate where the LED light transformer is installed. Remove the screws holding down the transformer. With the new transformer, place it back in position. Refix the plate holding down the transformer. Disconnect the wires and place them back to their proper position. This complete installation.